Stop saying you can't make money because you don't have capital. In Nigeria today, the people making the most money are not the ones with plenty money. They are the ones with plenty skills. If you have a smartphone and you're watching this right now, you already have everything you need to start earning. Most people think lack of capital is their problem. But the truth is simple capital is not your first breakthrough. Skill is. You don't need millions to start. Your first income will not come from money. It will come from your effort, your skill, and your creativity. Let me show you practical skills you can start with using only your phone. WhatsApp marketing. Help businesses sell through WhatsApp status and promotions. You can earn 3,000 Naira to 5,000 Naira daily. Canva graphic design. Create flyers, logos, invitations charge 1,500 Naira to 5,000 Naira per design. Content creation. Use your phone to make short videos. Brands will pay when your audience grows. Social media management. Help businesses post, reply customers, and run their pages. Earn 20,000 Naira to 50,000 Naira monthly. Information reselling. Package important knowledge and sell it. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions promoting other people's products. Writing, editing, voiceover, mini services. All require zero capital. But how do you get clients? Use your WhatsApp status as your shop. Post your work every day. Join local Facebook groups. Offer sample work. Tell your friends. And stay consistent. Start small. Grow fast. Price simple. 1,500 Naira for flyers. 3,000 Naira for WhatsApp marketing. 20,000 Naira monthly for page management. Increase your price as your work improves. Remember this. Money responds to boldness, not fear. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Start with what you have. Do with what you know. Grow with what you learn. If you're ready to start earning with zero capital, your moment is now. Subscribe for more business and motivational videos.